Hi, good morning, everyone. So today we are going to talk about Microsoft Azure Sprint, how you can, learn this Sprint, software and service which has been given by Microsoft Devops team. So basically, if you know Agile, so Agile is a methodology for the development, purpose, and it's very famous methodology in development industry. Previously, the developers and organizations were, following waterfall methodology, which has, many drawback. So they, group of people come together and they implemented agile methodology, and this became so popular that all the organizations and all the developers are using the same. So let's talk about what is this called sprint in agile. So sprint is a time bound process in which you have to deliver a particular section of software, or piece of software. Let's say this is the software, right? We are Azure DevOps. So your team is working on the software, and this software is going to be completed in many sprint. So if you see in this sprint, the sprint is basically involvement of many team, like QA team, business team, and development team. So all the teams all together get together, and they integrate their works on this software development process. And that accumulated process resulting in the process of final delivery of the project. So what you can see on DevOps, there is a sprint. So I've just clicked on this. So this is the sprint, and if you have you are working on many in a big enterprise application, so there could be multiple developers and testing and business team. So if you want to assign task to them, that if you have set the sprint, so in that particular sprint, if you want to assign tasks to all the developers and respective team member, so how can you do that? You need to come to sprint, and you need to click new work item. So what is the type, what is the is it going to be a development bug, or whatever it's going to be. So let's create go to sprint 1 and add new work item. This is issue, let's say software is not working. So this will create Angular app error. So it has been added, and if you'll click got it. And if you want to see which sprint you are in, so there is a drop down, you can just select that, and you can get to know about your current sprint. And if you want to uh, create a new sprint, so just click on that, and you can just mention the sprint name, sprint 2, and when does it start. So let's say we'll start this sprint in the this is August, so we'll start this in the month of September, and it is going to end at the end of month of September 30. And my project create. So sprint has been created, and if you see, you are sprint 2, and this is the sprint 1 which has been in future. So just you have to click on that, and you have to go to your current sprint, sprint 2, add some item. So let's assign some work to the developer. So this is you know Angular app error. So you are assigning this, and you are you have to click on this. So once you click this task, uh, pop-up is going to appear on your screen. So if you have to, let's say if you want to assign to a particular developer, so as of now in my organization there is one developer. You can see I'm typing, but the name is not appearing in the drop down. So you have to write the name, and you have to hit enter. So after hitting enter, you will get the developer name, and doing done, or whatever status is that, you can just assign this. And this is in sprint 2, which is the current sprint. So this current sprint is going to be and you can mention whatever description you want to mention about the bug, like Angular application is not working, kindly fix it. So this is there is kind of naming convention, and process can be set by the organization, that how you have to put the description, how you have to mention all this. If you want to expand it, click on this, it will be expanded in the new uh, all over the screen. And once you will assign this, close it, it is gone. It has been assigned to Jayant, and Jayant will once that particular person will log in, this person will come and they can start working on this. They can just set to doing, and they can add their task. So if you want to add what you are working on that, so child, I am doing analysis. So I can just analysis task, and I can just assign the task. And if I have to add link, so task is assigned to me, and I can just mention I'm doing, save it. Okay, so close it, save changes. So once somebody opens this Angular app, so they can see that one developer is working on this, and this is task what he's working on. And developer can mention the comment over there. And if after analysis they find anything, so they can just come here, at the rate, you can just mention hi at the rate, the developer. This could be somebody else in your team. I am working on this. I have found the cause of the error. I will fix it soon. You can just you can mention your comment in the description section. Once you will do that, you can just save and close. And after doing this, you can add another task. Go to that, add link, new, you know you can mention fixing. You can just do that. You can save it and do that, save and close. So you likewise you can add the task in a particular user story or bug, whatever is assigned to you. And this you have to complete in a time bound period that is called sprint. So the task can be assigned to multiple developers. Okay, and this is how you can add task, and you can assign to developer. So this is called sprint. You If you have to go to the task board, so this is how it is going to look like. If you don't like going directly inside, you can just drag and drop. This feature is doing, or you can just do that, done. So this is how you can use sprint, and you can assign works to your fellow developer. And if you want to uh, set up a new sprint, that also how you can do that, I've just shown you. Okay, and if you want to filter that, how you want to get to know about which work assigned to you, you can just search that. So this was a small video about sprint, how you can add task, how you can create a sprint in DevOps, how you can uh, get more insight. So once you assign the task, you can go to the dashboard. So if I'll go to dashboard, you'll get more insight. Means, see, this is the burn down chart. It is going up, and these are the task item. All the details will get on your dashboard. So this is very beautiful. You can also customize this dashboard. And yeah, and in next video we'll talk about other services of DevOps. Till then, take care, bye.